Perfect. That is amazing. That is wonderful.
Absolute hooligan. That's fantastic. In Edd China's garage revival, we're going to be visiting people who've got stuck on a project for whatever reason.
Hi Ed, I need some help with my golf.
And the plan is to try and reinvigorate them to get that car back where it should be, on the road.
Oh, look at that. She's lovely. You've got a bit of an issue. I think I have a solution. Let's crack on. There's no need to rush it, just teasing it out. Oh, look at that. That's lovely. You want to fit the 16-valve engine. It's very, very cool. It's really quite tight, isn't it? Boom! Now that is going to sit like so. We need to remove the air because, of course, it's compressible, which means the brakes don't actually work. With a car as fast as this is going to be, we want it to be able to stop. I've arranged for your mate to give you a hand. It's going to get better and better and better. I can't help noticing one tiny little detail. You've actually removed the eye from the GTI. Who cares about fuel economy? Now that's cool. That's just cheating. So that's all connected up now.
Nice!
Oh, she's in. Wonderful. I think your neighbours are going to really love it.